Hello, welcome to VR English. This is MJ. Join me today in learning English. Today's target is to infinitive as a noun. To infinitive, also known as full infinitive, is formed by using to followed by the base form of the verb. For example, to see, to read, to love, to play. To infinitive functions as a noun, adjective, and adverb. There are three ways to use to infinitive as a noun. They are as a subject, subject complement, and object. Let's talk more about them one by one. To infinitive as a subject. It is the topic of the sentence. We can write it in two ways. First, like other forms of subject, we write it at the beginning of the sentence. For example, to dream is free. Second, this one is commonly used than the first structure. We do it by using the word it to introduce the topic of the sentence. We call it the introductory it. When making this structure, we write the word it first and put the to infinitive at the end of the sentence. For example, it is free to dream. Next, to infinitive as a complement or subject complement. It is connected to the subject. It's like subject equals complement. It is commonly written or placed after the be verb or linking verb. Examples are: our plan is to make a garden here. So that's plan equals to make a garden. Next, my job is to teach kids. So that's job equals to teach kids. Be careful. Sometimes a to infinitive following a verb means an official order, arrangement, or an obligation. For example, she is to meet the client. Here, we can't say she equals to meet. It doesn't describe the subject she. Rather, it says an arrangement that the subject is expected to do. Last one, to infinitive as a direct object. It means it receives the action. It usually comes after the main verb. They promised to listen carefully. So, to listen is the direct object. Take note, not all verbs take a to infinitive after them. Some take a gerund, that's the ing form of verbs. Some verbs take a bare infinitive. That means no to or without to, with indirect objects. Examples: make, let. In a sentence, she made me eat. That's all for today. We are going to talk about the other functions of to infinitive. See you then!